Don't get worked up. Navigating emotions in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unraveling a phrase you might have heard but not fully understood: don't get worked up. This expression is a colorful part of the English language, embodying emotions and advice all in one. Stick around as we break down what it means, how to use it, and why it's important for your English communication skills. Don't get worked up is an idiomatic expression that advises someone not to become too upset, anxious, or overly excited about a situation. When someone tells you to not get worked up, they're essentially suggesting you should try to remain calm and not let your emotions take control. It's often used in scenarios where there's a potential for overreaction, and the advice aims to prevent stress or conflict. To fully grasp this phrase, let's look at the words, worked up. This part of the phrase indicates a state of emotional agitation or excitement. By adding don't at the beginning, it becomes a negation, advising against entering such a state. The simplicity of the phrase belies its powerful message: control your reactions for better emotional well-being and communication. You might use or encounter "don't get worked up" in various situations, from personal conversations to professional discussions. It's applicable when someone is starting to show signs of stress over minor issues, to calm a friend or colleague who is worried about an upcoming event, in moments of potential conflict, to encourage a more measured response. Remember, while the phrase is generally well-intentioned, the tone and context in which it's delivered can significantly affect its reception. It's crucial to be empathetic and considerate. It's interesting to note that "don't get worked up" reflects a certain cultural approach to handling emotions, emphasizing calmness and restraint. However, the appropriateness of this phrase can vary depending on cultural backgrounds and personal sensitivity. As with any idiomatic expression, understanding the listener's perspective is key to effective communication. Don't get worked up is more than just a phrase. It's a piece of advice, a call to emotional resilience, and a reflection of cultural attitudes towards handling stress and conflict. We hope this video has enlightened you on its nuances and uses. Whether you're navigating personal conversations or professional discussions, remembering not to get worked up can lead to more constructive interactions and emotional health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.